Hi guys, how are you all doing today? So today we'll be making some chicken kebabs. See how juicy looking they are. Very yummy. So let's dive right in on how to make this chicken kebabs. We'll be using some chicken breasts and we will cut them into chunks as you can see in the video. You can also use chicken thighs, but for my preference, I used chicken breasts. Then wash them and start adding the spices, black pepper, then add onion powder, paprika, then add in some seasoning cubes and soy sauce. Add in some Cameroon pepper for heat. Then add some salt to taste. Stir well to combine. Cover and allow it to sit for 30 to 45 minutes. Then we'll be preparing our peppers. We're using the different colors, red, green, orange, and yellow pepper with onions, because that will be what we're using to garnish the kebab. So we'll dice them up. So now we'll now be layering them on the skewer. Please remember to soak your skewers for 3 to 5 hours so that at least it will be soft enough and be able to take in when you're grilling it in the oven and not for it to dry up. So we'll start layering the kebabs by putting in the different colors of the pepper with the onions and also the chicken, as you can see in the video. I use this opportunity to say thank you so much for always watching my videos. I really appreciate. Do kindly share to your friends and family anytime you watch my videos. Thank you. So you can see I repeated the process and it came out to this beautiful looking kebabs. See how juicy they look. So now they're ready to be put in the oven. So you'll need to heat up your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit on the grill portion, and then we'll allow it to preheat before putting it inside the oven. Please always also remember to glaze it with oil, as you can see in the video, before putting it in the oven. So now I'm putting it in the oven and I'll allow it to grill for 30 minutes. So see how beautiful looking the kebabs are. Thank you so much for watching. They were really yummy and delicious and my family enjoyed it. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.